Hey, Ames.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. We have some exciting news.
We do.
Yeah. So
So what have you been up to?
we've been planning. We've been busy little bees, and we've just finished nailing in the last details of something that's coming next year.
In October 2026. It
That's
feels
right.
like it's miles away, but actually it's just around the corner.
Absolutely.
Just changing into the new year, 2026.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm so excited because it's a bit different
Yes.
to what we've done before, isn't it?
Yeah, even better.
Stuff, but even better than before.
Yeah, which, I don't think our previous participants would even think it could get better, but it has.
Yes, it has. It has. And over Christmas as well, I was loving the Merry Christmases and people sharing in our previous group, the first original Colourful Journey participants sharing all their creative Christmas presents, which is really sweet. That group's still going.
Yep, sure is.
The chat.
Yeah.
So what are we planning for this time?
We have some new things coming, which is inspired by previous participants as well. So Kintsugi is something that they have told us that they want to do. So we have found a authentic experience, true Kintsugi, not just a surface level tourist quick dash and done, because that's not what we're about. So we will be including that this time.
We're also going to be revisiting Sashiko, but we'll be doing it in a very different way. I don't want to say too much about that because that's kind of a bit of a secret.
Yeah, there's some secrets.
Yeah, I know. We're actually... do we want to say about the mountains? Because we have an affinity with the Tokyo mountains, right? Because it's so full of creativity and craftsmanship, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a whole different energy there too. So
we
good.
will be visiting our weaving factory again and getting the looms going and also having a go at weaving, which is amazing to me.
Yes.
If I could get a loom in here, I would.
Absolutely. Well, one of our participants has now got a small version of a loom.
It's such an amazing thing. He's incredible. What else have we got?
Well, we're going to a traditional indigo dyeing workshop, which has a huge history.
It's amazing. And it's the vats, the original ceramic vats, which is just, it's just so exciting. I can't wait to my hands in some indigo as well. What else are we doing? We're doing some natural dyeing in my studio as well. And we're going to create our own fabrics as well as our own Sashiko threads.
That's right.
Using natural materials and other things. And what else are we doing?
Katazome, if I can get the word out.
Always a Katazome. Yes. An amazing workshop. That's your supplier.
Supplier. A workshop created just for us, not available anywhere else.
That's amazing as well. And we're also built in a lot of free time so that people can go off and have their own adventures. But also we know that people like to go craft shopping and fabric shopping, particularly in Nippori, so we can support with that as well.
Yes.
So it's going to be a packed week.
Yes, so much inspiration.
Lots of amazing food as well we've planned. And there are other few little secrets that we've woven into the week as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
More about over the next few weeks.
This is just a little taste.
So Ames, when are we open?
Right now. So if you want to save your spot on this tour, because our tours are kept small and intimate, because we want to make sure that everyone gets individual attention, then just click the link and jump on in now.
And is there a payment plan?
Yes, and actually there's also early bird pricing. So get in now, get the early bird pricing. You can either pay in full if you want to do that, or you can choose the payment plan as well, and you can spread out that cost. So there's lots of options, and it is going to be so much fun. You're going to get so much creative inspiration. You're going to walk away with that creative cup. It's going to be overflowing, that's for sure.
And friends for life as well. That's the most important thing, I think.
Yeah,
whole experience. Like-minded friends.
Yeah.
Don't forget to jump in.
We can't wait to see you in Tokyo.